today I'm going to be making water candle, which is basically candle, but instead of using wax we will be using water. That's why it's called water candle. Anyways, I'm really excited to make this and I hope you guys will like this as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So without further delay, let's get started.
Friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion, think about the things we never do. We'll talk about the ocean, but never use the lotion. It's not like I got anything to lose. One day I saw a painting, then you started dating. Maybe you should hang me out to dry. 4 years ago you gave me a little explanation of how you don't know how to say goodbye.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.